Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. How have to be? Welcome back dear friends. My YouTube channel is the Project Better. Hopefully you will be fine. You are spending good and lavish life. So friend, most welcome. I introduce new and beautiful ideas which I shared with you. Beautiful ideas that are completely different to each other. I hope you can create different ideas which I shared with you in this video, and you can create different ideas. I introduce beautiful design in this video and beautiful design ideas in this video I shared with you. So friends, subscribe this channel and watch this video at the last, and you will like my ideas which I shared with you in this video. So friend, upload this video your friends, your mutual friends, overall your social personality which you know have that. I hope you will enjoy different ideas which I shared in this video, and you can create different thinking ideas watching this video. I hope you will be enjoy, and you can create different ideas to that's to watching this video. And friends, I hope you will be enjoy these beautiful design ideas. I hope you can create different ideas which I shared with you in this video. So friend, these ideas are very beautiful to each other, and you can create different ideas that are very beautiful to each other. Unique ideas are most beautiful to each other, and you can create different ideas which are most beautiful and attractive. Beautiful ideas in this video I shared with you. Hopefully you will be enjoying this video, and I hope you can create type of thinking knowledge, and you will like my idea and upload this video. Friends, your mutual friend, or your social personality which you know have. Hope you enjoy ideas which I shared with you in this video, and you can create different type of thinking knowledge. Create, subscribe this channel, friends, to watching this video. Upload this video your friends, your mutual friends, overall your social personality which you know have that.